Okay, in my previous video, I completely overlooked the fact that a lot of people probably aren't creating their own projects to put their name on. So I'll just extremely briefly show you how you can put it on someone else's project without transferring this into a physical material, which would be save as mesh, or I mean convert to mesh, which you can do. If you have a strong, powerful computer, you go to mesh on the object you imported, and then is it modify, it's here's a convert mesh. So this would convert it back to a solid, but as you can see with all of these vertices, that's going to take some processing power. So let's say you want to put your name on something. I just got this box right here, Austin's box. You'll go to solids. After you do the text from the previous video, put it in, size it right, extrude the text. Okay, so we're going to do, we don't want it to go inside the box, right? So we'll say 12 millimeters, that should be good. Okay, now from the left view, select everything you made, and you just want to put it inside the box semi-partially. We're going to have to extrude it just a little bit more. Let's look at it from the bottom, because we want it inside the box. So this would be inside, just starting to touch inside. But we get letters covered because this part's bigger. So we could either make it smaller to fit in this portion, or if we just wanted to pop out even from these bumps in it, we would do another extrusion on all of these, or just the letters which need be extruded. So it's really as simple as that. So let me just do this one as a demonstration. I would actually recommend that you fit it inside of an area that's flat, but this will work just the same. It just looks uglier and uses more material if you want it to fit around objects. So that's what it would look like. It's not the prettiest, so I would just shrink it down and fit it in a flat surface area. And now that you have it in where you want it, you're just going to click up here, right click, the very top of the drop downs on the unsaved, right click, save as mesh. You're going to save like this, STL, millimeter, one file, refinement, do high so that it saves all the details. And you just save it and save to computer. It'll save to downloads. I'll name it Austin's test box or Avid Crafting test box, right? Save that. And that's as simple as it is. So we're going to open up Creality, and I'll skip through until it opens. And here we are. I actually accidentally opened in my old slicer. I use Ultimaker now, but nevertheless, Avid Crafting box. It is massive, so let's just shrink that by 50%. Okay, let's call it 20%. And if you zoom in here, you'll see there's my name right there on the box. And that's as simple as it is.